from a customer standpoint, the customer should be able to go to any channel and get similar information and similar functionality, consistent authentication, and in general, common functionality. Obviously, some channels differ, like the ATM. From the bank standpoint, we need to be able to see every time the customer touches the bank, see the customer as one customer. So we've actually been working on a multi-channel strategy for 15, 16 years, and progressively we're coming to it to be actually complete, but it's not really complete. It's an ongoing work. And having a full function mobile banking is really important to us. The prior product that we released with Fiserv about 4 or 5 years ago did the job at the time, but we needed to update it, and we have the ability with mobile to be much more targeted, the way we can, we can identify and customize and personalize than we can with some of the other channels. At the highest level, I think customer segmentation is. We actually haven't gone down to the very detailed customer segmentation yet, but at the highest level, obviously the differences between consumers, affluent consumers, mass affluent, businesses and corporates, we segment products that way. We do plan in the future. We've just started a whole huge analytics project, and to tie the analytics project into mobile so that we can very much be proactive in proposing products and transactions to customers in the future, and Fiserv's helping us with that as well. Well, I think one thing is that it needs to be proven. One of our clear decisions was we wouldn't develop this. We'd go and buy something that had been proven in the market and proven to scale at banks as large as us or larger. And so that ruled out a fair number of solutions which were kind of PowerPoint solutions, weren't actually, whereas mobility is something that's in about 1,000 banks at the minute, some of the largest banks in the world. The other thing is we had to look at our infrastructure, end-to-end infrastructure, and build for peak. One of the big differences between mobile and some of the other channels like ATM and branch is with ATM and branches, we actually set the transaction limit. We have a certain number of ATMs, we have like 8,500 ATMs, and if people come to those ATMs and they're busy, they stand in line. So we can throttle the transaction volume, whereas with mobile, we need to serve customers when they want to do it with no limit. And so we needed to make sure end to end that the infrastructure was ready for it. So we chose a product that was proven. We completely replaced parts of the infrastructure. We even did things like moving some traffic out to Akamai so that we don't have that load for our public website on the infrastructure. So we did a whole bunch of things to make sure that customers, even at peak, have a great experience and it's fast. I mean, this is always one of the difficult ones. There are still some customers who don't use ATMs because they don't trust machines, okay? So to us, it was very much, again, choose a proven platform, choose proven technology, and technology that has behind it, an empirical approach, not just to say it's secure, but to prove how it's secure. There's a big education program to educate customers to why it's secure. Particularly because we chose to go with a 6-digit PIN for ease of use instead of a complex password like we've had before. So we need to educate customers as to why is that okay when it's combined with some of the other measures we've taken, like the device fingerprint. And Fiserv has helped us a lot with explaining those things. And it's a very big education program. We have advertising on the television and in the newspapers. We're wrapping the trains, and we also have a YouTube channel we've started which it provides education so customers can be sure that it's a secure and proven product. Well, I think one of the things is how proven it is in the market. It is not a high-risk option to go with them, and we didn't want to choose a high-risk option. We felt the mobility gave us the flexibility to offer the experience that customers want on the endpoints that they want, on the type of device they want, while still being proven in the market, being proven to be secure, to be highly available, The older version of mobility that we ran, we'd had in production for 4.5 years. It had never been down once, and so we were very comfortable with the vendor and very comfortable with the product, and we felt that we run internet banking from Fiserv too, and we felt it was the right decision for us to make. And people have been pretty happy with the decisions.